Hello, it occurred to me briefly I want to show when it comes to reacting to bounce backs to protect yourself and others from misses where the knife comes back. You will not only see the miss and the bounce back, but the moment your knife impacts the target, however, you will hear the difference between, a solid hit and a miss, which is going to sound a lot different. I shall demonstrate some hits and misses, and I got to force myself to miss. For you, in this course, I will miss. Oh, I hit the handle of the knife. Yeah, alright, well, that'll happen. I guess that's worth talking about. You can see where I threw. Pretty much I've thrown like my shot group is the same. In fact, my second throw was good, but it hit the knife. And when you throw multiple knives, that's going to happen. And as you stand in the same place throwing, and they're going to pretty much go in the same area, just like this one did. Well, I hit the knife, and that was a bounce back. It's a reason for a bounce back when you're throwing multiple knives at the same target, or a hatchet, whatever you're throwing. It could hit whatever you threw before, and that will cause it to miss and bounce back. All right, so that's what solid hits sound like. Let's see if I can force myself to miss. That wasn't easy, but I did it. Ooh, that one almost got me. You get the point. There is a subtle or a difference between the sound the knife makes when it sinks in solid versus bounces back for whatever reason. To include throwing and hitting another knife